Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Play Majora's Mask. Now I'm finally able to get some music on Fraps. When I was trying to get music on the Audacity thing, on Cap Studio, expected to work, but now it works. So now you get to hear the awesome music that I want to listen to, featuring Woodfall Temple theme. But that's not interesting. That's manly. Yeah, that's manly. This episode we're gonna actually not get the boss key right now, but we're gonna get the Woodfall upgrade. Now, this is interesting. I could actually just go and oh, damn it, I just said that anyways. Actually, I could just go and complete the whole rest of the get the hook shot, but why bother? Because I'll do it in order. And yeah, I'm just doing the Andrew Cafe quest up to the what was it again? The postman's hat or something. So over here we got shit. I'm supposed to go up there, but who cares? Oh shit, shit. Okay, so now we're gonna see if we can actually make it from here. Kill that dragonfly, that's how you can kill it. So we just head over here. Oh god. Ignore the oh shit, the mouse. Alright everybody, so we're gonna find out what the reward is. And we better hurry because second day will be happening and we'll have to complete the Honey and Darling games. Good thing I have all the stray fairies. Yes, so that's 15 fairies, I'm serious. Yes, so now I'll be completing the Honey and Darling second day, which is one of my second favorite because it's easier than the Bomb Chew day. Okay, what's the sword technique? Well, it's an extended spin attack, so it's basically your sword spin attack has longer range. Like, not like, you know the blue thing with the magic? Well, it's red instead, and it's longer, so with the gilded sword, holy shit, it's awesome. It's second worst ability. Yeah, second worst. Well, I mean, second best actually, because there's some horrible things that aren't even worth it. Yes, so let's see if we could do the Sonic soaring to get to Clocktown. Ooh, trippy. But yeah, how's it going, everybody? I'm doing fine. Now I finally got the sound input working on Fraps, so I'm happy, and you expect some more sound. Alright, so ooh, strobe effects. Actually, before we actually complete Woodfall Temple, we're going to do some minigames. Good ones. Remember that guy. Yeah, basically, I'm just fast forwarding this. Maybe later. Yes, so dawn of the second day, 48 hours remain. What happens if we don't complete it in 48 hours? I'll show it in a different video. Yes, so finally now we get to work on this. What's with these baskets? No, it's not Arrow Day. I'm awesome at the Arrow Day. Not the best, but I'm pretty good at it. Basket bomb. They're trying to make something, a Canadian sport into something good. Alright, so It ain't hard actually though. Same thing as you see. You just need an accurate throw. I happen to have it. Ooh, that was lucky. Well, I have an alright throw. Ain't the best in the whole world, but better than some people. Okay, just one more. Oh! Oh! I'm scarred. I never. Basically, the tip is just throw it like that. Don't give up hope. Instead, just wait for the bomb. If it misses, try again. Rating out of difficulty, I give it a rating of 4. It ain't hard. 4 is below average. Okay, sometimes it's annoying as hell. Alright, throw that in. Last one, and boy, this is gonna be. Last one tends to view up, so. Yes, so that mini game is actually worth it. For 50 rupees and getting the heart piece. Like, processes. Basically, they say the same thing as day one, they almost. Okay, so next mini game we're gonna do will take me a couple tries, but it's alright. I mean, you need an accurate shot. It's the town shooting gallery. Like the title proclaims, it's bow and arrows. One game's 20 rupees. You have to hit as many red ones as you can within the time limit. If you hit a blue one, you lose time, so watch out. They're rock. So, out of difficulty, depends if you're a good accurate shot. High score is 39. If you break the record, you win a spectacular prize. And the largest quiver depending on the swamp first. First one's Danny. Blue Octorok. They look purple, so you have to be fast. A tip is don't always memorize the path. If you shoot twice, you basically failed. Unless you're like a shooting frenzy. I like to get perfect on both. Because it'll still give me the large quiver and the hard piece after, but... You see? Usually... The high score is 50. Well, high score you get, that's perfect. Alright. Oh, dang. Oh, crap. Okay, got it. Good. 24. At 27 is... Yeah, sorry, fans. They didn't. Just live with it. Oh! Oh! That's bull crap. You don't have all the time in the world in, like, so many games. Oh god, that one you gotta be perfect. Oh! Expect so many tries. Ones with 5, you wanna not miss a shot. Drink some coffee beforehand. Oh, that was lucky. Ooh, now I'm getting super lucky, so... Oh! Finally I got that one. Alright. Alright. You don't... for the large... Oh god, this one. Yes! 50! With save states. Now I get the large quiver. Its arrow's equivalent is 40. And that equates to 30 to 40. I believe it also gives you 40 arrows, so I personally like it. Do it another time for the heart piece. For the heart piece, I give it a difficulty of 7. A bit harder, but not as hard as... Ooh. Yeah, it ain't as hard as some games. I don't know what the black circle is. That's probably an emulation error. Okay, this one's very interesting. Boom! A tip for these talent shooting galleries to make them easier is get a good aim. And be fast. You have to be fast and have a good aim. Memorize the patterns as well, because, boy, they're gonna help a lot. We're gonna do some minigames. Fun. Oh crap. Now we go back to emulators have to be advantage, definitely advantage. They can just save state just to get a good pattern. Okay, got it. Okay. Okay, 10 seconds left to fish. Alright. Come on! Yes! Oh! Yes! Yay! Yeah, if you have save states, then I'll give this 4 because, I mean 3, because it's super easy. Because you can just save state. Yay! I got my 7 heart containers, so. Now, we're actually gonna head back to Woodfall because there's something interesting. There's another swamp shooting game. And like I said, it's a swamp one, so it's worth it. So, yeah. Okay, we head over here. Yeah, this will be very interesting. I also had a side LP contest thing to do, see what my next LP is. Please vote for it. Some of the games I haven't completed all fully, so I'll do a practice run. Alright. Now it's 8 o'clock. Oh boy, this one's a different one. So minigame galore. That's what I should call this. It's same as the thing, but different settings. So you start off with these. Your goal is to get perfect. You have to be fast as well, because I personally... Oh, I got the perfect shot. I just got it. Oh! Boy, this is gonna take a bit. Sorry for loading save states. I don't give a crap. Better than using normal states. Come on. Damn you, LP curse! Oh! Oh. Sorry viewers, but LP curses are not fun. Oh! I hate this. I'm better off stream, so I swear I have a lot of problems with this minigame. Alright, I have enough time. Ah! Shit. Well, the commentary is getting a bit slow, so see you.